Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm here to talk about one of Okuma's most underutilized technologies, cycle time reduction.
The intent of utilizing cycle time reduction is to take an already existing, running program and speed it up by eliminating non-value added time. The software evaluates the program and eliminates anything that can help make up time without affecting the actual cutting process. For example, if you were to program the spindle at 10,000 RPM, normally the axes will not begin moving until the spindle conformation shows 10,000 RPM. That could be anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds of lost time. With the use of cycle time reduction codes, the axes will start moving before the spindle hits 10,000 RPM. By the time the spindle gets to the part, it will have hit 10,000 RPM and there was no wasted time in the process. It might sound small, but saving seconds for each tool can add up to a lot. With the easy setting version, you'll just make some selections from a menu and the machine will automatically speed up wherever it can. You also may not need cycle time reduction in every instance. If your program mainly involves cutting with very few tool changes or can cycles, there will be limited areas for the software to speed up your process. This functionality is best suited for when you have multiple cutting tools, can cycles, or the parts travel a considerable distance. With the easy setting version, you'll make a few selections from a menu and the machine will automatically speed up wherever it can.
Okuma's cycle time reduction is easy to use and in most cases can save you valuable time and money. If you need help setting up cycle time reduction on your Okuma machine tool, contact your Okuma distributor today.